Okay, so the window replacement expert's been took him 20 minutes to clean up and install a new windscreen. Now that just leaves us with a 3-hour wait before we can drive it. I've put the trims back on the inside around the window, and apart from a little bit of visible damage through in this area, and of course the passenger side mirror, it's not come up too bad. The bit of plastic in through this area has now been fixed securely and is attached. The wipers are now bolted down properly and their caps on, and the window looks pretty good. So next step will be to obtain and install the side mirror. That's actually very easy. It's only 3 nuts to hold it on, and then a bit of trim to push back into place. So that'll be the next step. Okay, so these are the bits left over from the mirror on the side of the car. I did try pulling it apart further to see if there was anything I could do to repair it. Unfortunately, it's broken bits of plastic in around here that are fairly substantial, and it's got a very heavy spring in there, which this piece plugs into here, and with those bits of plastic broken out, it's created issues with it remaining there. This whole assembly is held in by 3 screws, here, here and here. This is normally attached up here and pokes through a hole in the door, so replacing it is actually really easy. It's held on with these nuts. There are 3 of these, and it's actually super easy to fit it on. So this one I fitted on the side of the road after picking it up from the wreckers. The only downside is it's not the same colour, with that one being silver, and they didn't have a silver one available, so we've got black. I will probably have to touch up some of the paint around here. I thought it was all aluminium, but it looks like a little bit of rust, so I will have to touch it up with a bit of paint. The headlight looks to be very clean and clear compared to the old one. This side here, the hinge on this side must have taken a shunt from the other side, and it is up a little bit as a result. It's nothing really too bad, so I think we'll leave it. I wouldn't mind touching up the paint around here just to hide this damage, and a spot around here. Other than that, the car is back to roadworthy and quite functional. So this is the last in this series of videos, now that the car's back up and running. Right, so that'll do for this video. If you like these videos, don't forget to click on like, subscribe, ring that notification bell. It's a form of support that helps the channel a great deal and costs you absolutely nothing. If you'd like to help the channel further, I do have a Patreon account, and you can join my patrons, VIPs Go Lucky and Lorenz Burger, and my builder patrons Al Morales 45 and White Wolf. I also have a Discord channel, and there'll be a link in the description. You can join my Discord. If you've got any questions, you can ask there. You can see the current projects that are running and be notified through there as well when there are new videos out. And we'll see you in the next video.